Welcome back to DriveLine Daily, where power meets precision and every ride tells a story. Today, we're diving into one of the most electrifying compact performance cars of the future, the 2026 Audi 3 Rookies. This machine isn't just a car, it's a declaration of speed, engineering excellence, and everyday usability packed into a stunningly aggressive design. Audi has refined what enthusiasts already loved and pushed the RS3 deeper into supercar challenging territory. The first thing you notice is its commanding presence. The 2026 3 Rookies sharpens its exterior with bolder lines, a wider stance, and an even more aggressive front facet. Audi's signature LED matrix headlights now feel more sculpted, almost angled, giving the car a razor-sharp personality. The large honeycomb grille, subtle aero intrusions, wider wheel arches, and quad-exit exhaust tips all work together to signal what this machine is truly capable of. The RS-specific bumpers and lowered suspension bring the car closer to the ground, enhancing the visual drama while also improving performance. Whether parked or in motion, the RS3 grabs attention instantly. Slide inside and the RS experience becomes even more intense. The cabin blends luxury with motorsport-inspired details in a way only Audi can. The 2026 model brings upgraded materials, a redesigned flat-bottom steering wheel, new RS Sport bucket seats, and dark aluminum or carbon fiber trim all around the cabin. The Virtual Cockpit Plus offers sharper graphics, new performance layouts, and real-time data for enthusiasts who want to monitor G-forces, boost pressure, lap time, and more. The infotainment system is responsive, intuitive, and seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Audi's latest voice assistant. Despite its performance pedigree, the RS3 remains comfortable enough for daily driving, offering excellent visibility, a quiet cabin, and everyday practicality. But the heart of the RS3 has always been its legendary powertrain, and the 2026 version takes it even further. The iconic 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine now produces even more power and quicker throttle response thanks to updated turbo technology and advanced cooling systems. Acceleration is shockingly quick, launching the RS3 from 0 to 60 in a low 3-second range. The Quattro all-wheel drive system brings astonishing grip, allowing the 3 Rookies to corner with precision and confidence. Audi's torque splitter, which made headlines in earlier models, has been enhanced for 2026, giving the RS3 a playful yet controlled driving character and even allowing for aggressive drift-style dynamics in RS Torque rear mode. Combine that with adaptive suspension, ceramic brakes, and razor-sharp steering, and you get a driving experience that feels like it belongs on a racetrack. Safety and convenience features complement all this performance. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alerts, and pre-sense collision systems. Audi ensures you're wrapped in a safety net even when pushing the 3 Rookies to its limits. The 2026 3 Rookies stands out with its unique personality, compact size, explosive power, luxury interior, and daily drivability, all wrapped in iconic Audi engineering. It's a rare combination that few competitors can match. In a world shifting toward electrification, the RS3 reminds us that pure mechanical excitement still matters. And that wraps up today's review on DriveLine Daily. If you love cars that mix adrenaline with refinement, the 2026 Audi RS3 is a must-watch contender. Stay tuned, stay passionate, and as always, keep your drive alive.